An introduction to linguistics concepts. Alright, let's zoom out from the specific sounds of English and explore the bigger picture, linguistics. Linguistics is the scientific study of language. It's not just about learning how to speak different languages, or even just about grammar rules. Instead, it's about asking fundamental questions like, how do humans acquire language? How is language structured? How do we use language to communicate? How does language change over time? How does language relate to our thoughts, culture, and society? Think of a linguist as a scientist dissecting language to understand its inner workings, its universal patterns, and its incredible diversity. Core branches of linguistics. Linguistics is often broken down into different levels of analysis, each focusing on a specific aspect of language. 1. Phonetics, yu yin shui. As we just discussed, this is the study of speech sounds themselves, how they're produced, articulation, their physical properties, acoustics, and how they're perceived, auditory. It's about the raw material of spoken language. 2. Phonology, yin shi shui. While phonetics looks at individual sounds, phonology studies how sounds are organized and function within a specific language's system. It investigates the sound patterns, rules, and variations that are meaningful to speakers of a particular language. Example: in English, P and B are distinct phonemes because changing one for the other changes the meaning of a word, e.g., pat versus bat. Phonology explains these distinctions. It also covers concepts like stress, emphasizing syllables, like the difference between record, n, and record, versus, and intonation, the rise and fall of voice that conveys meaning, e.g., turning a statement into a question. 3. Morphology, xing tai shui. This is the study of word structure and how words are formed. It looks at morphemes, which are the smallest units of meaning or grammatical function in a language. Example: the word unbreakable has 3 morphemes. Un, meaning not. Break, meaning to shatter. Able, meaning capable of being. Morphology helps us understand how prefixes, suffixes, and roots combine to create new words or change their grammatical role. 4. Syntax, ju fa shui. This branch studies sentence structure, how words are combined to form phrases, clauses, and sentences according to the rules of a particular language. It's about the grammar that dictates word order and agreement. Example: in English, the cat chased the mouse is grammatically correct, while cat the mouse chased the is not, even though it contains the same words. Syntax explains why. 5. Semantics, yu yi shui. This is the study of meaning in language. It explores the meaning of words, phrases, and sentences in isolation, separate from context. Example: semantics would analyze the different meanings of the word bank, a financial institution, versus the side of a river, or the literal meaning of the sentence, the sun is a star. 6. Pragmatics, yu yang shui. This branch focuses on language in context and how meaning is influenced by the situation, speaker's intent, and listener's interpretation. It's about what we do with language beyond its literal meaning. Example: if someone says, "It's cold in here," pragmatics considers that it might not just be a statement of fact, but an indirect request for someone to close a window or turn on the heater. Applied linguistics. Beyond these core theoretical branches, applied linguistics uses linguistic theories and research to solve real-world problems. This is particularly relevant to your goals, as it includes language teaching and learning, yu jiao shui, designing curricula, developing teaching methods, and understanding language acquisition. Lexicography, si dian bian zuan, the art and science of making dictionaries. Translation and interpretation, fan yi yu ko yi, understanding how to accurately convey meaning across languages. Forensic linguistics, fa ting yu yan shui, analyzing language for legal purposes, e.g., identifying speakers, analyzing threatening messages. Why linguistics is fascinating, and not just for academics. Understanding these linguistic concepts makes you a much more effective language learner and teacher. It moves you beyond simply memorizing rules to truly understanding why language works the way it does. This kind of deep understanding is what allows you to break free from rigid, poisonous teaching methods and inspire genuine curiosity in your students. It transforms language from a set of arbitrary rules into a dynamic, logical, and deeply human phenomenon. Does this overview of linguistics clarify the field for you? Which of these branches sounds most intriguing to explore next?